Roger. Don't know if it's north or south of Middleburg. I can just say it's due north of me at 3. I have it on television.
Tornado on the ground. There's a tornado. Tornado, right there. Tornado. What do you think about all this?
I don't know what I think, but that's going crazy.
I don't know what I think, but that's going crazy.
It's flooded. Well, it's stuck. Looks hard, but it wasn't. Pretty soft. Well, there's the tow truck. He pulled me out. Thank God. Hey, look, it's the Weather Channel. Look at that. Cumulus rolling. Rainbow looking south. Just almost south of, just a little south of Seymour. I don't know if this will show up or not.
Across the middle of Lake Murray, it would appear.
Ooh, an airhead.
Now who's doing the chasing? Seems to be keeping up with me pretty well. I think I'll keep getting these and might be a good idea if I stay a little bit ahead of this.
The DSW airport. Producing large hail and damaging winds.
Looking around at some back edge of the stuff. Looking back over my shoulder. He's moving.
2 inches of falling. At Wichita's Jabara Airport, it was 76 degrees, humidity 34% with a south wind at 16.
Looking west. Looking west of Wichita. Rural Texas.
Wednesday afternoon.
Thought he was on fire or something.
Wednesday night.
Temperatures range from 59 degrees in Childress and level of DeKalb to 68 degrees in El Paso. The low for the state this morning was 27 degrees, reported at both Amarillo.
Trying to do something.
look at lowering off of this. We're going to watch you for a little while off the very tail end of that. Okay, USL, you ought to be right in the teeth of it. If it is moving more easterly, and it appears that it is, it will go down the river.
This is KM4MRK, we're going to be monitoring.
Okay, I'm good. See you later. Get hardly any, I didn't get any stuff.
We have Doppler and thunderstorm.
Be a tornado warning for Stevens and the early northeastern edge of Cotton County.
Hey, look, a tail. Hey, a storm chaser.
Yeah, I just need to figure out what to name it.
At 618, radar indicated a developing tornado 5 miles south of Throckmorton, moving east at 30 miles an hour.